So here we are out in the veggie patch again. Just wanted to share a project that I'm working on today. Just filling up some raised garden beds. So here we are. This one's just been finished off. This one's well underway. Firstly, these beds were purchased second hand off Marketplace for about $50 each. They're measure 1 metre by 2 metres, 40 centimetres high, and they'll add nicely to my existing raised beds. And to fill them up costs a bit of money, so I've been out to a friend's place who has a property, lots of trees, so we've picked up a heap of branches. So the bottom quarter is filled up with a heap of just dead branches, hugelkultur style. And then, as you can see in this bed, about another 10 to 15 centimetres has been filled up with, it was composted horse manure, been out in his paddock for a few years. So I picked up about half a metre, cubic metre, put it in there, emptied out my potato bags this week, so that's also been laid on both of these at that layer. And just to make sure that there's enough nutrients here, I've got a layer of phosphorus fertiliser, those white granules you can see, and a sprinkling of blood and bone powder. And the top half here, probably 20 centimetres or so, is filled up with a combination of these three products here in these bags, and that is a cocoa pith, a garden mix, and a compost. So they go into the wheelbarrow, 1 bag each, well mixed, and then emptied into the garden bed here, and then raked through. These will be for my garlic. So hopefully it'll be free draining, but hold enough moisture and have plenty of nutrients. These will be top dressed, mulched once I've planted all the garlic's been in. And in about 8-9 months hopefully we'll have quite a harvest of garlic. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.